Namaskar. This video is dedicated to those who like to fly in their dreams. The pose is called Garudasana, the bird pose. This asana is very useful for those who have a very restless, anxious mind. The asana balances our brain's hemispheres, develops our intelligence and intuition, helps remove nervous tension, stress, and irritation. It increases the flow of energy throughout the body, gives tone to your muscles, stretches the entire body, and strengthens the muscles. This asana is also very helpful for those who have problems with digestion and excess fat. Abdominal tension is reduced, and at the same time we lose weight. This asana is strictly done for the same amount of time for each leg. In total, you should do 4 cycles for each leg for 30 seconds without holding your breath. I will demonstrate. So, we stand lengthwise on the mat, with the left leg supporting. Feel the weight of your body. Open up the whole foot and the toes. The knees facing in one direction. The upper body turns to the right, and the arms stretch out parallel to the floor. Your palms must face inwards, that is, we stretch them out to the sides, backs first. But we stand facing the direction of the supporting leg. Now, on the inhale, we lift the right leg and direct the thigh as high up as possible, slightly bending the knee. Our heel stretches to the right palm while trying not to lean forward. Feel yourself stretching from the supporting leg to the top of your head. Hold the asana for half a minute. We count mentally and watch our breath. And on the exhale, we return to the starting position. We do the same on the other side. We feel the support of the right foot. Turn the body slightly to the left. Stretch out your arms parallel to the floor and lift the left leg, feeling your balance. Breathe for half a minute. Do not turn the pelvis sharply. Keep the forefoot down. And in 30 seconds, we return on the exhale. Do not forget the most important thing. Do not bend the lower back. Do not twist it, so that there is no excess tension. Do not turn the raised leg to the side. Keep the knee and forefoot pointed down. The legs should be on the width of your hips. Do not squeeze the toes of the supporting leg. Do not bend over after the outstretched arm. Stretch instead vertically upwards, and it is vital to spend the same amount of time on each leg, so that our hemispheres are equally and symmetrically developed. Good luck in your practice.